Hi kids, it's your Priyanka ma'am, and today in this video I'm going to talk about something interesting in EVS, in grade 3 EVS, and I'll tell you afterwards what I'm going to talk about. But let me tell you one thing, that in this current situation, the first and foremost thing that you need to take care of is yourself. You need to take care of yourselves. You have to eat healthy food, you have to take care of your family members, and please take care of yourselves in this pandemic. And for this current situation, I'm going to relate this topic with our real life, that is cooking. We all love to eat food, right? But have you ever observed the different kind of utensils which we use in cooking? Have you ever observed? Have you ever been to kitchen? आप कुकिंग करते हो? करते होंगे शायद. कुछ तो बनाते ही होंगे, ठीक है. सो लेमनेड तो बनाया ही होगा सबने. सो I'm going to talk about different kind of utensils which we use in our kitchen. You might be knowing the Hindi and Gujarati names of the utensils. But do you know the names of utensils in English? Some of the names we know: spoon, fork, ball, then pan, etc. We know, pressure cooker. But there are so many kinds of utensils which we need to know. हमें उसका English name भी पता होना चाहिए. So this video is related to the chapter number 10 of EVS. What is cooking? In which we are going to see the different kinds of utensils and their uses. So please pay attention and watch the full video. Okay, so let's get started with different kinds of spoons. The first is skimmer. These two are skimmers. SKIMMERS, skimmers, that we use to fry anything, to fry any food item. Okay, to deep fry anything. This is known as mesh skimmer. MESH, mesh skimmer. ठीक है? And this is known as skimmer, regular skimmer. These are the big spoons. These three are there are so many types of big spoons, but here I am showing you three kinds of big spoons. These are known as big spoon, which we use to stir our vegetables and khichdi and rice or anything in the pot. Now, these two spoons, which has the holes in it, is known as slotted spoons. SLOTTED, slotted spoons. These are known as slotted spoons. Basically, this kind of spoons are used when we do not want the gravy or the oil in our food. For example, if I am cooking Maggi, the soupy Maggi. If I am cooking the soupy Maggi and I don't want the soup, but I want the Maggi, so I will take the Maggi from this slotted spoon. So soup will be out of this slotted spoon and I will get only Maggi in my plate. Now, these two are potato smasher. If we when we boil the potato, to smash the potato, we use this two kinds of potato smasher. Okay, now these two are known as spatula. It is used to flip the parathas and rotis and dosas and everything. This is known as a wooden spatula with which we flip the food. ऐसे करके हम flip करते हैं ना, पराठा को उल्टा करते हैं तवा पे. That is spatula. This is known as whisk, which we use to stir the batter of the cake. Okay, this is known as whisk. These are the ladles. See, these are the different kinds of big spoon which has the small measuring bowl in it. This we use for serving the dal and the liquid food items. Okay, so these are known as ladle. These kinds of big spoons are known as ladle. This is also a ladle in which we give the tadka to our dal. दाल में तड़का देने के लिए ये तरीके का ladle यूज होता है. Okay. So these are the so many different kinds of big spoons that you can observe at your own house. Okay. Now let's get started with the different types of cooking vessels. Okay, so this is known as flat pan. This is known as flat pan on which we cook dosas and pancakes on it. Okay, this is known as flat pan. There is another kind of flat pan that I am going to show you, that it is known as pan. The simple pan. See, it is different from flat pan and it has a lid with it. It has a lid to cover. So it is known as pan, in which we cook handwas and maybe pizza if we don't have oven at our house. So it is known as pan, and that was the flat pan, because it does not have this kind of wall to it. Okay, so it is known as pan. Now the utensil on which we make rotis, it is known as griddle. तवा, जिसको हम तवा बोलते हैं, it is known as griddle. In English it is known as griddle. Griddle, griddle. Okay, now after griddle, what we have? Yes, the pressure cooker. Just wait a minute. Yes, it is known as pressure cooker. We all know. Pressure cooker we know. Okay, in which we steam our food, rice, and we boil the potatoes and etc. Now, these are the different kinds of wok. W-O-K, wok. जिसको हम कढ़ाई बोलते हैं. कढ़ाही बोलते हैं जिसको हम हिंदी में. ठीक है. So this is the small wok in which we cook a small amount of food. Then this is the big wok, and this is the biggest wok in which we fry our food. See, it is known as कढ़ाई, जिसमें हम कोई भी चीज फ्राई करते हैं, डीप फ्राई करते हैं. It is known as wok. Okay, so these are the three different kinds of wok. There are so many kinds of wok, but I am showing you the three kinds of wok. Then these are the floor plate. Floor plate. Floor plate means the utensil in which we knead our dough. We knead the dough. जो रोटी, पराठा, थेपलास बनाने के लिए जो हम आटा बांधते हैं, when we knead the dough, it is known as floor plate. F-L-O-U-R, floor, P-L-A-T-E, plate. This is known as floor plate. Now, these are the graters. ठीक है. Now, these are the graters with which we grate the food. If we want to fine chop the food, we use graters. This is small grater and this is big grater. Okay. Now, do you know what is this and when do we use this? This is known as colander. Colander means when we cook our rice, and we put out the rice in this kind of ball, because we don't want the rice water, but we want only the rice. So this is known as colander. If we wash the vegetables, we wash in this kind of vessel. It is known as colander, जिसमें से पानी बाहर निकल जाता है और फ्रेश वेजिटेबल्स और जो हमारा फूड आइटम है वो अंदर रह जाता है. This is big colander. Okay, so these are the colanders. Colanders are the types of balls which has the holes in it. ठीक है. This vessel is used to sieve the flour. मतलब कि आटे को छालने के लिए हमें ये वाला बर्तन यूज करते हैं हम. So this is known as SIEVE, sieve. Okay. Yes, that this we all know. Our moms makes roti on it. So this is rolling pin and this is rolling board. Rolling board and rolling pin. बेलन को रोलिंग पिन बोलते हैं और ये जो बोर्ड है इसको रोलिंग बोर्ड बोलते हैं. Okay, generally it is made of wooden. It is made of wood. Now, what is this? Do you know that? Think 2 seconds to answer. Do you know this? What is this? This is known as mortar and pestle. Pestle. Mortar and pestle. See, this is known as mortar. Okay, and this is known as pestle. जिससे हम कोई भी चीज को ऐसे उसका हम भूसा बना सकते हैं. Okay, so this is known as mortar and pestle. This is known as strainer. This is known as strainer, which we use to strain the tea and coffee and milk when we have it. Okay, so this is known as strainer. It also comes in plastic material. Now, this is very useful in cooking, but generally we don't know the name of it. Do you know what is this? Do you know what is this? Can you tell me the name? गुजराती में आपको नाम आता होगा इसका, I know. But I want the name in English. This is known as pincers. 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 Okay. Pincers are used to pick up the hot vessels. Okay. For example, see, my mom has boiled milk in it. This lid is also known as slotted lid. Lid यानी कि उसका ढक्कन. My mom has boiled milk in it. So, if I want to pick this up, I will pick it up with, sorry. मम्मा डांटेगी नहीं मुझे. I will pick it up with pincers. See, like this. I pick it up with pincers. So, इसको हम pincers बोलते हैं. Then, do you know what is this? Do you know what is this? We call it chimta in Hindi. But do you know what is this in English? What do we call it in English? This is known as tongs. 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 If we want to roast papad, we use tongs. If we want to flip rotis, we also use tongs. This is known as tongs. Tongs is used to flip the food, and it is used to hold the hot food item. If we want to roast papad, we don't roast papad in any of the vessels. So we use tongs to roast papad. Okay. These are the vegetable pillar with which we peel our vegetables. We peel the skin of our vegetables. If we want to peel the potatoes, we use this vegetable pillars to peel the vegetables. Okay, to peel the skin of the vegetables. Now, do you know what is this? Yes, it is used to squeeze the lemon. So it is known as lemon squeezer. Lemon को squeeze करने के लिए, उसका रस निकालने के लिए, when we want the lemon juice, we want the lemon squeezer to squeeze the lemons. So these were the different vessels that I have shown to you. These were the different vessels. Okay, so observe the different kinds of vessels, different varieties of vessels at your home, and explore your kitchen. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Take care. Keep eating healthy food.